Hello! We're back again. We have another exploration for you all.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. They're gonna explore the things we've done today.
Our first day working full time.
Yeah, our first full official day.
Did you see that cat?
And the cat's going crazy.
Just watch him in the background, don't worry. Meow, 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 meow.
That's our mouse and cat right there. This thing had a mouse today. I was so proud of it. Yes.
And then it had a lizard. Skink.
Yep, just got a lizard. Pretty cool.
But anyway, today was our first day and we had a full crew. Oh yeah.
Yep.
So what did we get done today?
Alright, so we had, first thing this morning I was making phone calls and getting things ordered and all that good stuff, and while I was doing that I had them start building on the last 12 foot on the lean-to, so that got done today. We put the millings down for the pad, raised it up 3.5 inches to get us to grade, because we don't need 11.25 inches of concrete. And so then we're just started putting down the these screenings back here, these limestone screenings, for the final grade, and we need to rent a packer to get it all packed in, and then we'll start putting down we'll start putting in our plumbing for all the waste water and drain lines and stuff, and get that taken care of. And then we'll put in our we'll put in our plastic down, and then our 2-inch foam board, and our PEX on top of that, and then our rebar on top of that, and then we'll be ready to pour.
Yeah, that's what we got done today.
Give him a show. Show him what's going on.
All right, so okay, so we got our milling pad put down. And then we started putting down the limestone screenings over there, but like you said, we need a packer. And we have a whole pile here of it. And then we also got the last part of the lean-to done. So this section right here, we already had that one done, but yeah, this section right here, the roof and everything.
Welcome back, everybody. We are here at the farm again, and we've made some progress. We've got our water stubbed out through here, ready to tie on to the main line after the rock trenchers trench all of this nasty rock out of here. And then we come in here, we've got the perimeter set for the concrete. We've got this spot open here to walk through still. We've got rebar, and we got all this to grade. All this white limestone screenings is our final grade. And then we're going to put plastic down, and then we're going to put foam, 2-inch foam board down, and then we're going to put our PEX heated floor piping on top of that, and then we're going to put our rebar on top of that, and we're ready for concrete. We have all of our plumbing in over here. Main water line coming in right up next to the shop wall. 2 water lines headed over to the kitchen sink, a hot and a cold. And then we have our wastewater line coming in over here, running straight in, and we tee off and go over there to the shop toilet and the top shop sink. And then right beyond that we have the bathtub on this side of a wall, a toilet and a sink coming off of that drain there. And then we have a shower, master shower here, and the master toilet, and then the vanity is going to sit here. This is going to be a wet vent, which means our drains for the sinks are going to drain into here, but it's also going to be a vent for everything. And what else? We've come over here, reduced down to 2-inch coming up. We come over here to our washer machine drain. It's set in a wall, so this wall's set where that goes. And we come over this way to our kitchen sink drain. And it is set as well. The temporary wall is set here for our heated floor plumbing to run up in and tie off to here, which reminds me we need some clamps to tie off all those PEX lines. So I might put another board down here for another piece of support, but everything's going to run up here. This is going to be our wall. Hopefully this actually is inside of the wall and we don't have to remove these, but if we do, we do. We'll just cut them flush with the concrete and put the wall where we need it. But hopefully everything comes out to where these are actually in the wall between the shop and the house, and we won't have to move it. Oh, I've got over here 2 places that are thick edges. We're down to solid rock again. Drilled into that, set some rebar, and these are going to be my piers for a vehicle lift, a truck lift, a 2-post car lift, so I can drive in here, set out my runners, and then climb out underneath the vehicle and do stuff, change oils and all kinds of fun stuff. I'm excited about that. So once we get all this poured, we'll be setting our metal building up. We'll be putting the framing up and together, and hopefully it'll go together pretty quick. We'll get in here in the next couple days. or so. Give or take a couple of days. Alright, well that's all for you. That's all I got. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.